Well, we'd like to say a massive thank you from all of us from Hensley's Adventures.
And that is because we have just found out we have just gone over 500,000 views.
500,000 views over. Yay! A big thank you to all of you that's actually watched our videos. And we've actually, it's accumulates to 73,300 watch hours. That's amazing. It really is a big thank you. And that actually also amounts to one person watching our videos 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, for 8 hours and
8 years.
Sorry, 8 years and 4 months. That's just crazy.
It
We
is.
never thought we would get to this stage, did we?
No, it's been a lot of hard work getting to this point.
Yeah. Amanda, she's
No.
done all the editing. She's done a fantastic job, haven't you?
Well, I wouldn't say I've done a fantastic job. I'm certainly not very good at computers and things, and I know I'm not using the program I'm using to its full capacity, but hopefully you are enjoying them, because we have had so many views, and we've also had 1.7 thousand comments.
Wow. And a big thank you to everyone who's been commented. With the toilet that's just been going on, I've got another couple of repairs coming up as well. So, but it's just been amazing, isn't it?
It has. So we really apologise if we haven't managed to comment back to you. Sometimes the comments don't come through, or sometimes we seem to just get overwhelmed with how many we've had on a video, but we really do appreciate them, so please keep your comments coming. We do read all of them, just sometimes we don't get round to replying.
Well, the odd ones slip through the net,
yeah,
shall we say.
Get that sometimes,
but it's just amazing what life throws at you sometimes.
It's all Hensley's fault.
Hensley, yes. Without Hensley,
we wouldn't have the YouTubing.
No, and we probably wouldn't have the motorhome, and that's really, it's catapulted us. It's just been epic, isn't it? It's just,
yeah, we've had a really, we've been doing it for just over 20 months now. It was a bit slow to start with, but then when we did get the motorhome, then that's when obviously the subscriber count went right up.
A big massive thank you to everyone. And we've got a lot more travelling to do.
And no doubt Richard will have some more repairs to do along the way.
Like I say, there are a few more. And I still haven't finished the trailer tent, because I've still got that. And that's what YouTube actually does. It actually makes you do things you wouldn't normally do. The trailer tent, I've always wanted to spray paint. I've never ever done it, and that YouTube pushed me to actually go and do it. And not a bad job in the end. And, but if you haven't watched that, go and watch me doing the trailer tent.
And Hensley is only panting because we've just literally just come up to the motorhome on his daily walk. So
yeah,
hence why he's panting.
Yeah. So.
But he's all good. He wanted to say hi to everybody.
Yeah. Say hi. Hi. High five. High five to 500,000. No, he don't care. But we certainly do.
We do. We really appreciate all the support we've had.
Yeah.
And if you have been watching the videos and you haven't subscribed for any reason, we have seen from the analytics, which we're not very good at analysing.
No.
But apparently there's 42% of people that are watching that don't then go on to subscribe.
So please press that subscribe button. It really helps a lot. It's free to do so. And share and like and keep on sending your comments.
And we have had over 21,000 likes in that
21,000?
Yeah.
Wow. A massive thank you. Yeah. And people can hype these videos now as well.
They can, I believe so, yeah.
So that's a big thank you to everyone who's hyped our videos.
But yeah, it has been hard work. It has been stressful. We've had a few rows over the videos.
Only a few. Because Amanda sometimes thinks she's right. But then she proves it to me. She is right.
Yeah. But anyway, the rewarding side of it is we have met some great people. We've had lots of subscribers come up to us when we're out and about.
And it makes us feel important. It's been it's been amazing. It's been absolutely amazing.
So if you do happen to see us on a campsite or just out and about in general, don't be shy, do come up and say hello to us. It's really nice to get face-to-face feedback and nice to meet you.
And if you're not too sure if it's our motorhome or trailer tent, we're just about to have a sign printed on the back. and maybe the front as well.
Yep.
So you'll be able to actually...
You'll know it's definitely us.
Yeah. So if you want to avoid us, you can avoid us. But no, please come over and say hi.
Yeah. But yeah, we've had great fun doing all the videos. Just going around caravan park reviews and actually
meeting other YouTubers as well. It's been amazing.
Yeah. And seeing parts of the park that we maybe wouldn't have done if we wasn't YouTubing. So that's great, yeah. But sometimes it's stressful, but it is rewarding. And for us, it's not just about financial side and actually do it. It's about making the memories.
It's about financial. We'll be bankrupt soon.
But yeah, it's about making the memories, and it's nice for us to look back sometimes on the early videos, especially with Hensley and actually seeing him as a puppet.
And do you know what? We still do, don't we? The other time we go back to the beginning when Hensley was a little pup and we brought him home for the first time. I tell you what, sometimes it almost brings tears to your eyes. It's just
yeah, it's all his fault.
What brought me tears to my eyes as well is a negative and a plus. We went to Wells next to us in Somerset.
Oh, yes.
And we videoed, and we might have already mentioned this before, did a whole day of videoing, and we realised we got home, we'd done it in slow motion. But so the next day we went back and redone it again, because obviously we didn't want to miss out on the video. And but that made me realise how we can do slow motion. Then we did the Cotswolds,
the
lavender farm, and we did some wildlife, if you want to say wildlife, bees and butterflies in slow motion. And I thought that was just amazing, wasn't it?
Yeah, so it's all pluses and negatives, whatever happens. So.
And that gets Hensley out on his adventures.
It does. So all we can say again is a huge thank you to everybody that's watched.
Massive thank you.
Lots
massive
of
thank
hearts.
you. Yeah.
Lots of love to you all.
Yeah.
Thanks so much. Keep following us. Keep subscribing.
Keep sending some comments. I really do like it, actually. Yeah, it does help. It really does help. So please keep on sending them.
Yeah. But anyway, thanks again.
Ciao for now.